I pozdrav svima ljudi, dobro što moj novi video. U ovom videu ponovno radimo pip test, ali ovoga puta na skleku. Pravila su ista kao i sa probadanje i sa skip, samo što ovog puta radim na 30 sekundi, znači svakih 30 sekundi, znači sa svakih 30 sekundi povećavam sa jedan rep, kao što znate već. I ima i posebna jedna tablica sa spek koju ću staviti tu negdje na ekranu. I to je to. Ako vam se video sviđa, ostavite like, share i subscribe. Pišite nešto u komentarima, neke ideje sa sljedeće videe. I to je to, prelazimo na pip test. Ok ljudi, možemo krenuti. Znači, imam malu upalicu u prsima, ali nema veze, jer sam jučer radio i push trening, a i jučer sam snimao ovaj video, ali je fokus bio katastrofa, tako da sam ga odlučio ponovno snimiti, ali dobro, ajde. Idemo. Znači jučer sam 20 radio na pip testu. Tada se nadam da ću uspjeti ponoviti danas. I'm hard and I don't miss nothing. For practice, it just happens. No, y'all can't stand it. I have it, I never pass it. I work my magic, high average, ball on these bastards. It makes me happy, it's tragic. I make it happen and all y'all acting. White Iver song. When I started balling, I was young. You gon' think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring I never want. I want saucing, I'm saucing on you. I'm swagging on you. I'm ballin', I've a song on you. Okay, song ide 4. Watch out, yeah. I smash out, yeah. I'm spending on my fucking pay.
Fucking on my thigh, made her sit the rock. Sucking on my thigh, she do that a lot. Fucking on my thigh, made her sit the rock. Sucking on my thigh, she do that a lot. Yeah, I can't fold it up. Kiss I do with a bag. I do with a face when I like a crowd. The thing in the night, but that pussy gon' cold. Even though you was a hater, you still in my zone. Bannat, you're my bannat.
Kaçıştık.
Fucking on my thigh, made her sit the work. Sucking on my cock, she do that a lot. Fucking on my thigh, made her sit the work. Sucking on my cock, she do that a lot.
Yeah, I can't fold you up. With my tits, I just wanna vibe. I just wanna play like a cup.
Okey, iyi bak. Nasıl?
Even though you was a hater, you still in my zone. I just got you with that bullshit up, and I'm not real. Shooter ready, go there, ready, blaze, they hit up everyone. We shaping this shit like a globe. Every my finger, they feel like a pole. Yeah, I better blow. I better go up, I'm about to explode. I'm about to expose you. So some of them like my pole. No, I can't wait me at home. Still my brother, my team, my bird. Big body steez of the biz of the big body land, but they be better. I just put up like a Yankee on London, my shaky, they be better. Yeah, I better slice him. I better dice it, it's not nice. Put you inside of a bed, they fill it with rice. Fill it with lice. Me and my Twitter insane. He and I nice. He thought they gon' give me the ring. She say it on night.
Fucking on my thigh, made her sit the work. Sucking on my cock, she do that a lot. Fucking on my thigh, made her sit the work. Sucking on my
Valla doğru.
I can't fold you up.
GG'ye sana. Приятность. Чистоты.
Even though you was a hater, you still in my zone.
Yo, I love my life, but I hate it at the same time. I lost my close friend, and I'm hurting cause it's not fair. If I was still shotting where you shot, you couldn't shot there. Says she can't stand me. Someone tell her cut chairs and how much Dior runners I got that I do not wear. Colombia's down for the 30 and he's not scared. His wrist works, been through more whips than Top Gear. A real one's hard to find, a bad bitch is not rare. You ain't hit your up block, but you been hitting your girl. My PUB's a $250,000 a mil. I'll make it further than you, why? Cause I'm willing to fail. Even if that means sitting in jail. Oh well, I bought a car for my little sister. Ding off for the gang. We call
Inače,
niggas that sing, but it's different.
ne moram krenuti ovaj odmah poslije kad prođe 30 sekundi, znači smijem malo tu pauzu napraviti. Što ću sad ću raditi.
Violations get slept on, cause you're no one in your camp. I'm top 2. Little bro can't fight to save his life, but with his knife, they might give you a shit bag, might give you a bad day, or give your mum bad news. My hoodie costs a bag 3, my runners cost a bag 2. Pussy, you just chat static. Fucking on his BM, got her breathing like she asthmatic. Leaving with a face scar so you can see my shank damage. He ain't worth turning cabbage. I can make the Yola vanish, bring it back, crack magic. Full pipe, my whip farting, can't bring them my hat and garden. Last time he did, he tried pop a chain, disregarding. Niggas tryna sign out early, but I'm in regardless. Cause if I slip one time, that could be the darkest moment. Paid 50 for my watch, I'll pay more for his head back. All my hoes holding grudges, car, I ain't giving head back. The same day you buy it, same day you gotta test that. I ain't looking after yours, cause I ain't tryna be a stepdad. Been a shiesty you, way before I ever had sex act. If I give you back half, then I beg you just respect that. Beg you don't call my phone like Kian, can I get the rest back? Before major comebacks, there's always man of setbacks. If you don't grind, I'll assume nothing's what you wanna be. Hoes see me on the menu and say, course that's what I wanna eat, course that's what I wanna be. For me, she's a proper fruit. Give me jaw and ride my dick properly. Apart from waps, I'm trying to invest into some property and stay away from guys that think life's a game of lottery.
Može još 18. Sonra.
You would think her legs don't work, she's always on her knees. You would think I had no friends, I was always with the fiends. And 50, then 100 raps was always
Ah, tupa.
flick knife, that was always in my jeans. My niggas not no pedophile, but he's always
Līdzapāšlāj zadovoljan jer sam uspio raditi 18, a jučer da sam snimao radio 20, ali dobro ajde. Opet imam i malu upalu neku danas, baš, tada ono, okej, ajde. Ali ako želite part 2, pišite u komentarima i mi se vidimo u sljedećem videu. A vi ne zaboravite ostaviti like, share i subscribe.